Welcome to the crafting segment of Stacie Says. Today I'm going to show you some creative ways to hang things. If you're trying to update your home, or if you're trying to sell and create that memory of your house so buyers want to buy it, here's some wonderful ways to use objects that you might have around your house to hang things. Come on along with me and I'm going to show you some really cool ideas. I'm going to challenge you to find something unique to hang your jewelry on. This one I found at a local thrift store. I love thrift store shopping. The more you watch, you're going to figure that out. But this, great way to display your jewelry and takes up a lot less room than a huge jewelry cabinet. Why use a boring towel rack when you can use something like this? It's art and still serves as a towel rack. One of my favorite projects that I made was to buy a wooden window frame and some hangers that I purchased separately. I just mounted this to the wall and then screwed these in the hole, and look, creative towel hanger. All of you have seen these metal wall art pieces that you can get in your local department stores. So if you mount them on the wall, they look beautiful by themselves. But if you want to be creative, you can use them for key holders. So if you want to put your car keys on there or house keys or something, you'll always know where they're at. Creative way. Use your imagination.